Thanks for clicking the video. This is just a quick one of me fitting an outdoor tap. If you have any criticisms, comments, anything, leave them below. I'm not a plumber, but this was all done with push fit. It's just a temporary tap to allow me to complete my renovation project whilst all the other plumbing system is turned off. Enjoy.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. But when I hit her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on, gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong, now I wanna show, I can hold my own, see how much I've grown, better off alone, baby, I know it all sorry for the heartache and saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on, gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong, now I wanna show, I can hold my own, see how much I've grown, better off alone, baby, I
So that's all I need to do for a temporary install. Got an isolator. It's the summer, so don't have to worry about it freezing or anything. So literally right angle push fit on there. Tell them in a building site, turn off the water supply. It should be off. Remove the stop cap of the existing. Yeah. Cut a bit of pipe. Should be enough. Like that. You can always cut it shorter in a second. insert in the pipe. Both ends. Just check that's the right length. Get this end in. Bit long. Yeah, that'll be alright. Insert in again. That just prevents the pipe squeezing. Again, this is only temporary. This will be underneath the kitchen sink in the future. And then, yeah, that's in. Alright, so it's currently open. That's closed. So we'll just turn the water back on, see what happens. Yep, it's up to pressure. That's my head on the boiler. It's up to pressure. Isolator's on. It's not under that much strain. I could cut it a bit shorter, probably will when I put on the outdoor tap tomorrow. So just unisolate it.
Alan's beard? Is that an actual acromantula?
A dead one, I think, sir.
Probably dribbling a leak. Yeah, a little bit of a leak, but need to put Loctite on it and then it'll be good.